Hey guys, this is a quick video to show you how you can enable Hyper-V and run virtual machines on your Windows 10 computer. It needs to be Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise in order to do this. It won't work on the Home Edition, but I'm using the Pro version here. And what you're going to do, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to right-click on the Start bar and go to your control panel, at which point you're going to go into Programs. And there's a section here for turn Windows features on and off. You can also get there by searching down in the search box for turn Windows features, and you'll see it pop up, and you can launch it that way too. But once it's launched, you'll see a lot of the features that are not enabled by default. And what you're looking for is the Hyper-V one right here. So what you're going to do is check that box. I've already got it selected on mine because I've already installed it. But it will install the GUI tools. It will install the Hyper-V platform. And so from there, you'll hit OK, and it'll install the software, and then it'll probably want you to reboot your computer. I've already got it installed here, so you're good to go. And from there, you would, in the search box, search for Hyper-V Manager. I've already got a shortcut here from me, and I will launch it, and there you go. You'll have the Hyper-V Manager and the ability to create virtual machines right from your Windows 10 desktop. One other thing to note is if you're using the embedded program, many of the embedded products actually have they're image files instead of ISO. So here is a folder of one of the OPKs for Windows 10 IoT Enterprise. I'm going to go into the software folder. I'm going to go into the 64-bit version, and you'll see that it is an image file. You have to enable the extensions to be able to see the extensions, but in this case it's an image file. Those don't really work very well, so what you're going to want to do is just simply click on it and rename it to ISO. That easy. And then when you do that and you launch the tool here to create a virtual machine, which I'll run through this very quickly, you'll give it a name, Windows 10 IoT Enterprise. I'll choose the generation 1. I'm going to give it a little bit more RAM, so I'm going to give it 2 gigs of RAM. I'm going to connect it to the Ethernet, and then I'm going to shorten up the size of the virtual hard disk. And from there, there's an option here to install the operating system from an ISO file. So I'll click that, and I will browse to that file, which I've already got the folder in place right there. That was the file I just renamed a while ago. And then I'll hit next, and I'll hit finish. And it will create the virtual machine, which is right here. And then to launch the virtual machine, you'll double click it. You'll hit the power button, and you'll see that it'll boot. And now I set that VM to boot right into that ISO image, so it's actually booting right into that Windows 10 IoT Enterprise installation, and it'll take you right in. So great way to load VMs on your Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise desktop. That simple. Thanks for watching.